Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to install a mini drywall system, and since they're going to be able to have exposed rock here, we do not have to put any of these grates in that you see down here. They already had a little mini French drain. They did run all these downspouts into it, but that was a different company. You should never run all your downspouts into a French drain system for the simple fact that it overloads the system and makes it so it doesn't work as efficient as it could. But we're going to go ahead and dig all this out. As you can see, it's already edged out. Take it all away, fill it all up with rock and filter cloth, mini dry well. This is a temporary thing right here because he's going to be installing a pool in his backyard. So eventually we're going to have to do a more elaborate system. All right, now that we have it dug out, it's about 2.5 feet deep, about 3 to 4 feet wide. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, we are now into the sandier stuff. So that way when the water comes in here, it'll be much easier for it to drain through that than to try to drain through this clay. So as you can see by the level, we are about over a foot deeper than where the clay and hard mud dirt is. Now after you dig it, you filter cloth it, have it all around all the way. That way after you fill it up, you can also wrap it over because he's going to be putting decorative rock on the top. After you filter cloth it, you fill her up with rock, and then we're going to fold the filter cloth back over so that way the customer can put decorative rock or whatever else he wants on top of it, just not dirt. And this is how it's done. Afterwards, you put the cloth over it, and then you can come back and put your stepping stones in and fill it up with whatever decorative rock you have. And then this way, we already have it a couple inches down, so you don't have to try to take anything out to get your stepping stones down and level from the ground. That's it. Mini dry well accomplished.